Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So today I have two of the hybrids. Now initially I thought that this is Black Queen, but I was recently corrected by one of the seller that this is also Echeveria Black Rose, and this is another Echeveria Black Rose. Now the difference is the coloration. The hybrid, this is an hybrid Black Rose. It tends to have more of the red color compared to this one. This one has more of that dark purple tone to it, and this one has more of the reddish tone, dark red tone. So they both are Echeveria Black Rose, but this one is an hybrid. And my Black Rose, it's going to be very difficult to notice, but it is starting to put out flowers. As you can see, there's one bloom over here, and there's another one coming up over here. I'm going to wait for some more time and then I can get rid of it so that I can get the entire stalk out. So I'll have to wait for it to grow. But you can see how beautiful the color is of this Echeveria Black Rose. And I have been giving the same conditions. They are exposed to morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours, and the soil is the same, which is the aquarium sand and 20% of filtered garden soil. Very gritty soil. They are in the 7 centimeter concrete pots. When they get watering when the soil is completely bone dry, and because they are exposed to the direct morning sunlight for 5 to 6 hours, that's why you can see that beautiful coloration. I'm not very sure if the entire succulent will get colored, because in most of the images that I've watched on Google, the entire succulent tends to turn dark in color. But probably in my city the environment is not very cold, so probably it might not get completely colored, but at least the crown area looks absolutely beautiful. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.